Hi everyone. Last video I explained about the some important string methods such as length, toUpperCase, toLowerCase, charAt, indexOf, lastIndexOf, includes, startsWith, endsWith, replaceAll, trim, concat, repeat, padStart, padEnd. The trim again trim start, trim end also we discussed. In this video, what are the topics we are going to cover means split, slice, substring, equal to, double equal to. Okay. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే just like, share and try to subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll go for to subject here. Okay, now first one, split. Purpose, string ను arrayగా మారుస్తుంది. స్ట్రింగ్ ను arrayగా మారుస్తుంది. Let us see an example here. నాకు I have the one string value. Let str. In TypeScript we have to specify data type. String equal to HTML, comma, CSS, comma, TypeScript. So this is the one string value is there. Now I want to split this one into the substrings based on the some delimiter, comma as a delimiter. How I can go for that? Console.log of str dot split. What is the delimiter I want to go? Comma it is. Like this. If I run, divided into the array it is. By default array is going to store the values for us. Okay, next. The split string in array ga marustundi. It will. Next one, slice. The purpose, string lo konta bhagaanni extract chestundi. String lo some portion I want to extract. Okay, now new file I'm taking. String methods dot ts is the extension. Let. So str data type is string equal to what I given here, TypeScript I given. From here to extract script, I want to extract the, suppose type I want to extract. So now how we can go for this? Console.log str dot slice. So what I can go for here? Type no, index starts with a 0. Right. So type with 0, 1, 2, 3. But make sure +1 we have to give for the end index. 4 we have to give it is like this. Okay. Save. Let me clear here and run it is. See what output I got, type it is. Similarly, we have the substring method. I will explain what is the difference between these two. First say substring. The purpose, two indexes మధ్యలో ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్స్ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది మనకి. when you go for this one here also same thing, 0 to 4, same like this. Substring also, let us observe that. So two indexes మధ్య ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్స్ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది. console.log str dot substring of 0 comma 4 I given 0 comma 4. Save, clear, and run it is. Type, both working as the same it is. Now I will show the real difference here. Not type. I want to get the script. I want to get the script here. So first let me go substring console.log str dot substring. So what is the S position here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I go for the 4 only. Save it is and run. See what script we got. Or else we can go for the console.log str dot substring. From which position do you want? 4 to where? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what you should give here? Plus 1 you have to add. 10 we have to give. If you want to give the end index also. Save, clear, and run it is. See both cases script I got. Now by using slice, so console dot log str dot slice. So can I go for the 4 here? You see, clear, save file, run it is. Yes, we got the script. Then again, if I go end index also I want to specify log str dot slice 4 comma 10 I given. Save it is, clear, and run. We got script here. So both are working as same it is. Now the scenario here, read last 4 characters, last 6 characters. So now if this is the scenario I have means mom. So what I can do here, using slice, see console dot log str dot slice. So I can go for the last 6 characters. Okay, you can go for the indexing like this, reverse indexing, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is what the advantage if you go for the slice. What I said, last 6 character, -6 I give it. Okay, now I will going to remove these things. So run it is. Sim, you got the script. That is the difference. It allows. So negative index slice will allows the negative index. Sir, I will go for the -6 comma. So -3 I give. So what is that? -6, 4, 5, 4, -6, -5, -4. So in between this, going to gives for us. Let me run. Not saved my here. Let me save it is, clear it is, run. Where is this? -3 I give. Save it is now. Run. See what output? SCR. That means from here to here only. 6, -6, -5, -4. Between that only. N index plus 1 you have to add it is. Okay, like that. So clear what is the difference. The next one, So we have the equal to, double equal to. When you compare to the equal to, double equal to, and triple equal, there is a slight difference is there. Where in JavaScript, we have the difference, because when you go for double equal to, so data type not important. Data type is not an important, but loosely data type double equal. If you go for triple equal to, strictly data type it is. So data type also important it is. Let us see an example here. Okay. Now, Sima here, a string hello is there, a string hello is there. Both are string values, both cases, double equal to, triple equal to, both is going to give the true only here. That's what I'm saying it is. There is no much difference it is. There is no much difference it is. Okay, true, true. Now see one more example. I will go. Let a string 5 I given. Let be, I want to go for the number. Okay, one number I give. Here 5 I give. Now see, it is not allowed. It throws the error for us. It's throwing the error for us because comparison is going to be done. Data type is not matching. So but JavaScript, so it gives the first one is going to give the true, second one is going to give triple equal to give the false. In JavaScript, TypeScript not allows here. There's some situation is like this. So 5 is there. Okay, I can do like this. A double equal to 5. Here 5 I go. Here also not allow. It throws the error for us. We can't go for like this. But there is a possibility. This one we can convert into the, so A equal to 5 is there. Now what I can do, let B equal to B number equal to 5 I given. In case, now what I want to, I want to convert it is, the number I want to convert into the, as a string here, I can go for A dot to string, A dot to string. It converts into the string value. Now it allows here. See, B I will give. B dot to string. Nothing arguments are required like this. A equal B dot to string. True. Converts number, we can convert into the string it is. Similarly, now string value is there. Now I want to convert into the number it is. Number of A. Both are going to be true now. See here in this example, what I'm trying to do. So how to convert the string into the number, number into the string. ABC or alphabets are not possible. If it is a digits are there with double quotes, we can able to convert it is. Okay. Now if I run, clear it is. Okay, like this we can do. And there is a one more important string method is there. Match is a string method is there. Okay, very important it is, advanced one it is. So next video I'm going to provide the only on match, more examples, regular expression how we can use to extract the values from the string it is. Okay, that we are going to see in the next video. So please like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends also. Thank you. See you in the next video.